Hi dear students, I am your Srinath sir from Sri Sai Sadbhavana School. We are discussing about knowing our numbers. In this, we are discussing about the international number system. International number system. Here we have continuing the exercise 1.3 third main. 1.3 third main. I will read the main. Just you look at the textbook. Write the numerals for the following, leaving space in between to indicate the periods. That means, right, they are given in the words. You have to write them in the numbers and leaving space in between to indicate the periods. Leaving the space between to indicate the periods. That means from unit 10, 100, just some space, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, some space, million. Like that, you have to leave the spaces. Okay, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, here they are given 16,723,020. So we will write 16,723,000. 723,000. Okay, 20. Only 20. See, this is the answer, 16 million. This is 16 million. 723,000. 723,000. 20. Only 20. I have given the space between the periods. Here this is unit 10, 100,000, one period. This is thousands period. This is millions period. Okay. Next we will move to the second problem. 432,771. 432 million. 432 million. 771. That means no thousands. 771. 771. Here they have given 432 million 000. That is no thousands. 771 is the answer. Next 5,600,000. 5,600,000. 5 million. No thousands. 600. 5,600,000. Here unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. This is 5,600,000. Next 300, 7,200,000, 1,102. Okay, first you have tried 307 million. 307 million. Okay. 201,000. 201,000. Next 102. 102. So this is the answer. 307 million, 201,000, 102. That is the answer. I hope you understand. Once again I will explain. 16,723,020. 16,723,020. Next 432 million 771. No thousands. Here no thousands. So 771. 5,600,000. 5,600,000. 307,200,000, 1,102. 307 millions, 201,000, 102. So this is how you have to write when they are given in the words, that you have to write in the numericals. That means in numbers. Okay. Next, the given, write the place value of underlined digit according to International System of Numeration. So next, fourth main, write the place value of the underlined digits according to International System of Numerization. That means you have to write the place value of the number. Place value of the number according to the International System. That is, they have given which are the numbers they have underlined. Here, unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. I hope you understand. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So it is the 4 is in 10 million. So total 40 million. What is the answer? 40 million. million, million. Okay. Next, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. That is 100 million. 7 is in 100 million place. So 700 million. Answer is 700 million. Next, when you come to here, 4 is the underlined number. It is in unit 10, 100,000 place. So 4,000. What is the answer? 4,000. Okay. When you come to here, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000. 9 is in 10,000 place. So answer is 90,000. Okay. Next here, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So the answer is 9 million. Here, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Once again, 10 million. I will repeat. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So answer is 90 million. Answer is 90 million. I hope you understand. Once again, I will explain. Write the place value of the underlined digit according to international system of numeration. Here you have to count. 4 is in for 10 million place, so 4, 40 million. 7 is in 100 million place, 700 million. 4 is in 1000 place, 4000. 9 is in 10,000 place, 90,000. Here 9 is in million place, 9 million. Here it is in 10 million place, so 90 million. If you want, you put the commas also for each period. Then you will understand easily. That means for every 3 digits. Okay. Then it is very easy for you to understand. I hope you understand. Okay. Next we will move to the 5th main. So now write the place value of the underlined digit and write to which period it belongs. Here you have to mark the periods. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 9 is in 1000 place. That is 1000 period. That is 900,000. So what is the value? Place value of 9? 900,000. That is 900,000. It is in 1000 period. It is in 1000 period. Okay. 9 is in 100,000. The place value of the 9 is in 1000 period. So it is the place value is 900,000. Okay. When you come to here, comma, comma. So unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 8 is in million place. So 8 million. What is the place value? 8 million. Which is the period? That is in million period. It is in million period. When you come to here, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So same 100,000. The place value of 1 is 100,000. So it is in 1000 period. It is in 1000 period. When you come to here, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 9 is in 10,000 place. So the place value is 90,000. The place value is 90,000. So this is in 1000 period. It is in 1000 period. Okay. Next when you come to here, Next problem, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay, so 9 is in million period, so it is the place value is 9 million. It is in million period. Period is in million period. When you come to here, comma, so unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 9 is in 10 million, so the place value is 90 million. The place value is 90 million, so this is in million period. Once again I will explain. 9 is in 100,000 place. 100,000 place, so the place value is 900,000. It is in 1000 period. Here same 80 is in million place, so the place value is 8 million. It is in million period. Here 1 is in 100,000 place, so value is 100,000. It is in 1000 period place. Next come to here, 9 is in 10,000 place, so the place value is 90,000 and period is 1000. When you come to here, 9 is in million place, so the place value is 9 million and it is in million period. When you come to here, 9 is in 10 million place, so the place value is 90 million and it is in million place. Okay, next we will move to 6. Find the following using international system of numeration. Same as we have done in the first exercise, that is expanding the numbers in the Indian system. Here we have to expand them in the international system of numeration. International system of numeration. Here first you have to mark the commas. 1, 2, 3, that is place periods. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. In the same way, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay, I will expand. First 4. 4 is in 100 million place. So write down 400 million. 400 million plus, this is 400 million, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Next 50 million. Plus 3 million. Plus 100,000. 100,000 plus no 10,000, leave it, or if you want you write 00, 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 9. This is 400 million, 50 million, 3 million plus 100,000, 0, 10,000, 4,000, 679. So this is the expansion form of this number in international system of numeration. Next we come to the second problem. Here it is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So I have to write first 20 million. 20 million plus 1 million plus 500,000 plus 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 8. So this is how we have to expand the number. Okay. Next when you come to here, the same 9,874,512. So first you write the 9 million. 9 million plus 800,000 plus 70,000 plus 4000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 2, 502, 512. So this is how we have to write in the expanded form. Expand the following using International System of Numeration. Next, they have given here the same seventh one. Write the numerals for the following expansions according to International System of Numeration. So here, the seventh main, write the numerals for the following expansions according to International System of Numeration. According to International System of Numeration, here they have given the numbers in the expanded form. We have to write them in the numbers. Okay. The first one is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. 200 million. Here 100,000, 40,000, 506. So first you write 200 million. No 10 million or million. So you write 200 million. Okay. 100,000, 40,000, 506. I think you understand. 200 million. Okay. 100,000, 40,000, 506. Next, when you come to here, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, that is 70 million. You write 70 millions. Okay, 7,007. That means there is no 100,000 or 10,000, only 7,000 is there, and no tens, no hundreds, only unit place, that is 70 million 7,007. 70 million 7,007. When you come to here they are given 6 million. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So 6 million. 238,000. 238,000. This is 200,000, 30,000, 8,000. So total 238,754. 754. So this is the answer. Okay. Once again I will explain. 200 million, 140,000, 506. Okay. When you come to here, 70 million, 7,007. When you come to here, 6 million, 238,754. So this is the number. It means compare the following with greater, smaller or equal signs. That means we have to compare whether 7 million is greater than or less than or equal to 10,100,000, or 1 lakh is 410,000 to 10 crore. What is the 1 million? 1 million. What is the 20 lakhs? 1 crore. What is the 10 lakhs? So here we will do the working 7 million and 10,100,000. First you write the 7 million. This is 7 million. 10,100,000. 10,100,000. That means unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 10,100,000. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, that is 10,100,000. Okay. Here, which is the greater one? Which is the greater one? 1 minute. Here it is, what is the 10,100,000? Okay. Unit 10,100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 10,100,000, I have written 1 million. Okay, here it is 7 million, it is 1 million. So which is greater? They have given already 7 million is greater. They have given in the textbook itself 7 million is greater. 7 million is greater. This is 1 million. This is 7 million. So 7 million is greater. When you come to 1 lakh or next, compare 1 lakh with the 410,000. You write 1 lakh here. This is 1 lakh 410,000. That means 40,000. 410,000 means 40,000. So 1 lakh is greater than 40,000. So you have to write greater symbol. Next, 10 crore, 1 million. 10 crore you write. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Crore, 10 crore. This is 10 crore. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Next, 1 million. You write 1 million. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So here, how many zeros are there? When you compare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 million or 10 crore is greater than 1 million. 10 crore is greater than 1 million. Here if you want, you count 10 lakhs is equal to, here 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. So always 10 crore is greater. When you compare to 1 million and 20 lakh, 1 million and 20 lakh. Here you write 1 million. This is 1 million. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 20 lakhs. Okay. 20 lakhs. So which is the greatest number? 20 lakhs is greatest because here unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. When you convert this into, it becomes 10 lakhs only. Indian system, it becomes 10 lakhs, but this is 20 lakhs. So this is greater. 1 crore, 10 lakhs. 1 crore is always greater than 10 lakhs. Okay, 1 crore is always greater than 10 lakhs. Okay, I hope you understand. Here 7 million is greater than 10,000, 10 100,000, 1 lakh is greater than 4 10,000, 10 crore is greater than 1 million, 1 million is greater than 20 lakhs, 1 crore is greater than 10 lakhs. Okay. So here they have given, compare the following with greater, smaller or equal size. I have written completed already. So 7 million is greater than 10 100,000. Here 7 million, 10 100,000 they have already compared. Okay, how they have compared? By converting both into one system, that is either international system or Indian system. So here this is unit 10 100,000, 10,000 lakh, sorry 100,000, million, 7 million. When you compare 10 100,000, so unit 10 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, that is 1 million. So 7 million is greater than 1 million. When you come to here 1 lakh 410,000, 410,000 means 40,000. So 1 lakh is always greater than 40,000. When you come to here 10 crore 1 million, 10 crore and 1 million. When you convert this crore into million, when you convert this crore into million, unit 10 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 1 crore become, sorry, 10 crore become 100 million. So 10 crore is greater than 1 million. Next 1 million and 20 lakh. 1 million and 20 lakh. You compare this one. Okay. Convert this into Indian system. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100 million. So when you compare this, this becomes 10 lakhs. This becomes 10 lakh. Here it is 20 lakhs. So 20 lakh is greater than 1 million. 20 lakhs is greater than 1 million. And 1 crore is always greater than 10 lakh. 1 crore is always greater than 10 lakh. Okay, I hope you understand this. Next main, ninth main. Arrange the following places in ascending order. They have given the places. Write them how we are reading in the international system of numeration. Here they are given first 100,000, millions, tens, hundreds, 10 millions. Here first comes 10 millions. Because millions, 10 millions is there. So first comes 10 millions. 10 millions. Next one is millions. Next one is 100,000s. 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 Okay. Next 100,000. Next hundreds. Next tens. Here they have not given units, so here we have written tens. 10 millions. Okay, millions. Next 100,000s. Hundreds and tens. We have completed the series. Next come to here. Okay, 100 million, 10,000, 100, ones, millions, 100,000. So first you write 100 million. 100 million. Next millions. Next 100,000, 10,000. So 100,000. Next 10,000. Next 100. Next ones. Okay, 100 million, million, 100,000, 10,000, 100 and ones. So this is how we have to solving. I hope you understand this very well. We will continue in the next class. Take care. Bye.